Hello guys! It's me, Ari Natasha here. Welcome back to another vlog! I am wearing all neutral. So cute!
سمع الله لمن حمده الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Alright guys, so every morning I would always try to consume my olive oil and lemon shot. Oh wow. I just wanted to vlog today because I need motivation. I've been in a slump for like literally a week and I need something to spark me out, I guess. And I have acne there, so please don't judge. Honestly, like, if you are asking me, literally, I mean, how are you feeling? I feel like, I don't know, I feel like the worst. Like, let's be real. Oh, be real. Guys, let's just like be real for a sec that I feel you. I need something to spark me. I need something to spark me up a bit. I have a few plans actually. I am going to study at a cafe. I am going to get my comfort drink. I am going to watch a movie with someone. I'm gonna like literally clock in. I've been so insecure also, that's why I haven't been posting. Like, look at my acne. I feel like I've went to like a lot of facials but it's just not working. Like, I need solution. I think it's because like, I've been like so stressed. Honestly, what a day. Look what I spilled. Frick. Alright guys, so this will be my full outfit. I am wearing all neutral color. It's like the most safe color to wear every day for me. So yeah, first stop, I'm gonna go to the bookstore because I need to get a few things and then we're gonna go to the cafe to do some work. My head is actually so full, so I need to kind of fill up my bottle actually. It's gonna be just pretty chill. But I have to be back at 5 because I have plans tonight. I swear to god, like my playlist have been so freaking like emotion. I've been looking forward to watch a movie tonight. I don't really like horror but I love zombies. So gila trailer. I need to watch it. I've been looking forward. I don't know what movie is it. It is a Colony movie, Train to Busan 2.0. I need to go send my car, the workshop, because the aircon is like macam tak rasa sangat. But probably not today. Sure not gonna give me space. Cepatlah, so slow man. Cepat.
Brought dumpling with me because I wanted to eat while studying, but I realized I cannot multitask, so I had to push away all my work and then focus on my dumpling. Literally the best dumpling I've ever had. So freaking good. I can eat dumpling almost every single day. Just give me dumpling and I will marry you, guaranteed.
Time check. It is 4:34 p.m. Finally, I am done with all of my work. I am finished, like, finally. Oh my gosh, this is all the things that I did. We're done. I'm so tired. But I kind of want to buy a drink. So let's buy a drink we can order. I haven't ordered anything yet. So I really want to focus on my task. Oh my god, I have all my to-do list there. That's it. Start done. Can I get one watermelon jasmine tea? Yeah. Size large. Can I request extra cheese? Yeah. I want to show you guys what I ordered. Wow, so cute. I got this polka dot. Alright guys, a little update. I am all dressed up for my movie night with my friend. I am wearing all black. Yes, I'm not really sure whether if I should wear a shawl or like a jersey shawl that I have right here. I'm contemplating right now, like, what should I wear? This shawl good. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this bag with me, but I'm gonna leave it in the car.
And then I am on my way to watch The Colony with my friend, and I am actually obsessed with it. I love the movie so much. Everything was just perfect, even though we actually must at the cinema like 10 minutes late.
Risk it all holic. Outfit changed. I am back home. I know first main reason why am I so unmotivated. I feel disgusting because this is what my room looks like right now. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is all this? So basically, I need to clean my room. I was just like literally doing nothing after cleaning my room. I was just like literally staring at nothing and listening to music, and I feel it's been so long that we haven't talked. Macam deep talk. macam tu. Like I've lost the connection with my subscribers on YouTube, and lately my heart is actually broken. Macam lah tiba kan topik dia. I should be proud of myself. We are our worst critic. Like we critique ourselves more than like how our siblings or our family or even like people that know us critique us. Like sometimes they don't really critique us, but we're the only ones who critique ourselves like so bad. I feel like this week I should give myself a pat. Like, good job, sis. Good job. I'm very proud of you. It's not enough what I'm doing. You know, all I do is wake up, shower, and like sometimes I go Pilates, and sometimes like clean my room. Like I just don't feel like what I did is enough. How can you feel like you're enough? Because whatever you do, if you're trying to please other people, like super penat. So I can, when I do my assignments, like my uni things, my assignments, I feel like I always want to be the best for everyone. But sometimes you just have to accept that there's more people who are more better than you and who are more expert in things that you do. Can't help with insecurity feeling. You know, it's so sad that nowadays I just have to be busy to not feel like this. Like I literally do anything, whatever it takes for me to be busy, so I won't feel like this. You know, kadang-kadang I jadi gila. I overthink a lot. I guess when I meet people, I'm just like that perfect girl. But honestly, deep down, I just want to feel enough for myself. Kadang-kadang I macam biasanya jadi cantik, biasanya jadi pandai. We are all trying our best here. People have so many activities in their life, and I'm just like here in my room. The plan is that I wanted to go out with my sister. I am all ready. I'm all dressed up, but she bailed on me last minute. So like I don't really know what to do right now. What should I do? So I think I'm gonna drive to go like a park. It's quite far from here. But let's just F it. Let's just do it. Instead of still stressing out, I'll just go out alone. I am here already. Yeah, I kind of want to edit or something. Let's see how it goes. So basically, I ordered their dragon fruit smoothies. It's like dragon fruit and apple. It's really sour, but it's really good. I am living my life. Yes, but it's so funny that this is my view right now. And can you guys see like the boys there? Yeah, they're kind of naked. So my view is full of bicep and abs. Sometimes I feel like you just gotta have courage to just do whatever you want. Alhamdulillah for this life. I've always wanted to go to this place that I'm at right now. It's just so peaceful, but too much people. But I feel like I don't own this place and people are allowed to go here. Sometimes you just have to say F it and not wait for people. If you guys want to go somewhere, just literally go. Like, I was feeling like so anxious to go here, even though I know about this place. Like I am very familiar with this place, but I still feel anxious. Like do I go alone? Yeah, but until when? You can't be scared forever, you know? Just do it, I guess. And I am here. And it's really peaceful. And even though it's like literally 40 degrees outside, I'm still enjoying whatever.
Oh, and then guys, my sister and I went to KL. We had our like tourist night in KL, I guess. It was really fun. We ate a lot. But this is like so random footage. I just put it here. Why not? Makan apa ini? Bumbu baba.
Banyak tu makanan tu. Ready, you can take some of mine. Nah.
We're gonna get the best matcha in the world. I ordered the matcha strawberry. Nana ordered fried mushroom. Is it really good? Saka. I'm back home. A little short clips. I actually went to KL Pasar Seni because my sister wanted to visit her boyfriend there. So macam I just wanted to follow. Didn't get any pictures even though my outfit was like cute. I wanted to get an OOTD picture but it was nighttime already. It was late at night. So macam tak apalah, I'll just repeat the outfit, okay. And then I also got a matcha. It doesn't cost that expensive. I think I won't be able to sleep tonight because I drank the whole matcha. After everything that I did in this vlog, I feel so much refreshed. But after everything that I did in this vlog, I feel so much better. Sometimes I need to actually record myself doing the things that I've said that I wanted to do for so long. Because if I don't record myself doing it, like I rasa macam I seorang je tengah buat benda tu. Faham tak? So macam end up I tak buat pun the thing. Actually editing, guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog and I'll see you guys whenever I post a new YouTube video. Bye bye!